So today we're going to do a tutorial on Watch Me Blush palette from the Crayon Case. Zoom in so you can see. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more just in case you want to see it. So let's go ahead to the eyeshadow, because I know that's what y'all was waiting for. So I'm about to go in with the Tangerine. I'm using it as my transition shade. I'm gonna go right here. Now, one thing I like about the Tangerine, even though it's not as pigmented as the other ones, it's just that it looks real, like, as a transition shade, it is so freaking bomb. Like, I love this as a transition shade. Alright, you guys, sorry about that. Had to go find my charger. So I'm just gonna blend this out right here. So I'm about to go right below it and add that red. And when I tell y'all this red is really pigmented, like, look at that. I loved it. Well, I love cranberry. Nah, y'all can't lie. That cranberry is like bomb. I might have like chips on my lips because I ate and everything, but you ready? So I'm about to put this out the way, grab the one I used for the orange. I mean the Tangerine. I don't know why I keep telling y'all orange. Tangerine. Because I want to just use the name that's actually in the palette. So just in case y'all want to do the same look. And y'all can. So, guys. So now I'm about to just go in with another brush. This type of brush. If you could let me know what this is, you know, just let me know at the bottom. Okay. So now I'm about to just go in with berries. Just do a little bit because I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to close my eyelid a little. Put that actually in my crease. I know y'all probably looking at my head like, girl, what is you gonna do to it? But I just took my braids out this morning because I have to re-braid my hair. And I'm about to put this wig on. Because I will have a video up. It's like, I don't know if I want to post it this week or wait till next week. Because I'm like literally recording 3 videos today. So it's like, I don't know if I want to do. Because I did a wash day routine last week. And like I blow dry my hair, cut my ends and all that, and I showed you how I braid my hair down for a wig. So it's like I don't know if I want to do that next week or just post it this week. But I still have like 2 other videos to record. So it's like I don't know if I want to post one of those this week and then wait till the other one for next week. Cause like I want to give y'all a great I mean, it's like I want to bring out a lot of content, but it's like I don't want to do everything all in one week, and then y'all gonna be looking for me like in the next week or so and be like, why you haven't posted anything? It's like, cause I just posted a lot, you know. Okay, so I was gonna try to do a cut crease, but your girl really not that good yet, so I only tried it like that last time. I haven't like retry to do it, cause I don't know, like. I kind of like how I do my eyeshadow the way it is. And it's like, I understand like the cut creases is what's in. But it's like, I feel like, you know, I don't know. I just feel like, do what you feel you comfortable with. You don't have to like try to do something because somebody else is doing it. Because I'm not doing it. She's on. But anyways, I'm about to. Moment of truth. Fuck it, you know, we better just try it. So I'm going to go in first with my old banana. Alright, you guys, so my camera literally died when I was doing my eyeshadow. So I already did this side, as you can tell. I'm about to just, not move you. So I'm just about to just do the other side so you guys can see. Let me zoom up. Cool. Alright. So inside my tear duct right here, I'm going to use the old banana. So I'm about to go in with the strawberry cream and just put this on my lid. So as you can see, I applied it, but when I apply, you can't see the old banana on the top part, but you can see it on the bottom. So I'm just about to dab it a little bit more. Brush on my face though. That's how this looks. So before I go under my eyelid and put the same color, some of the same colors that I just used, I'm just about to grab my brush. It's like girl, I mean, y'all, I don't know what if I call y'all girls. Like, I wish I was going somewhere today because this makeup is about to be really cute. Okay, so first, to start off with the under eyelid, I don't know if I want to start with cranberry or berry, but I might just start with cranberry and put that in my lower lid. So I'm about to go in with berry. Y'all see this? Oh no, I'm just tripping. Like, I don't think I'm tripping. So I'm about to just go in with a little bit more of that red and go a little bit upper. So, drum roll. I'm using, oh, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. Alright, it's kind of like a little messed up. Try this again. The Rose GLOWrez. So So I'm using that as a highlighter. Alright, you guys. So now I'm about to go in with my Angular. I don't know what's the Angular. Because I do have Angular as well. But I haven't opened it. I haven't even started using it yet. So, because I really love GLOWrez, even though it doesn't look like a rose gold. It comes off a gold as me, but I still love it. And with this one, you really don't have to use a lot. It is like, watch this, you guys. You have to like see this. You gotta see it to believe it. It's like, bam. Like what? Like, they be like, girl, you have highlight on. Bam. You fucking, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just really corny. But it's like, with this highlighter, it is so freaking bomb. And it's like really pigmented, so it's like you really have to watch what you do, cause a little go a long way. So I feel like honestly this highlight is gonna last me forever, cause I don't know if it's like I have to just like, I don't know, this highlight is like, it's really pigmented. It's like, you gonna glow, okay sis? So, ain't no pretending, you know? So I'm about to put it on my nose. Let's just go big. And so I was talking about, like, it comes off more gold than like a rose gold. So I feel like more of a chocolate color. It comes off more gold, but I feel like if you're more like a lighter skin tone, lighter than me, then you could probably see like the rose goldish part. But I don't know. It's like I can see it, but it's like more gold, so it's like I can't see it. But I love it, you guys. I don't really care. I still love it. Like, even though this look gold and rose, I mean, and GLOWrez, and Glola. Yeah, I'm from Louisiana, so I was about to say Angola, but Angola is really gold, so it's like, I don't know. I don't know how this gonna look on me, but I love this, I love GLOWrez. Cause this thing was, at first I wasn't gonna get GLOWrez, cause I was like, I saw, do not mind me. It's just that I just saw that when I saw it on like another person, it came out more like, it looked like rose gold on her, probably because she was like really like, I'm not gonna say like, well, she was like light skinned, but it's just that it looked really, really good on her. So I was like, you know, sometimes when it look good on a person of a lighter skin complexion, it can come off like being too much for somebody that's a little like my complexion. So I was kind of like, I don't know, because I didn't really want to look around with pink highlighter, but I still went on the whim and bought it, and it's like, I love it. Like, I feel like I don't even know if I'm gonna open GLOWrez up. Like, I'm gonna try to open it up and use it, but Angola, no, y'all keep messing up these words. So I don't know if I'm gonna open up Angola yet, because GLOWrez is like really one of my top faves right now. So I'm gonna use the fuck out of it. You know, well, I'm not sure. I'm gonna use it a lot, you guys. So I don't know. It's just like, even though it's like it's not what I expected, it still came out perfect for me. So as you see, and like I told you, I don't even put it on my Cupid's bow. Even though I probably might. I'm gonna just do it, even though I already did my lipstick. I just told y'all, that's why I say it's like I do it, but then sometimes I just don't. And it's like, when I don't, it's like I be want to do it, but then it's like when I don't do it, be like, okay, all right. But I don't know. So that's it. I don't like too much. I don't like my chin to glow up, you know, with the GLOWrez. Y'all, it's called Rosie GLOWrez, but I don't know. I just like saying GLOWrez because I don't know. I just like saying GLOWrez. So the Rosie GLOWrez. Alright, guys. So I'm about to just braid my hair up, put my wig on, and I'm gonna see y'all in a few. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look of my makeup. I put my hair on, all of that, so you know, your girl's looking poppin'. So if you like this makeup tutorial, if you love the Watch Me Blush palette, just let me know down in the comments below. I want you to thumbs this video up, like, well, this is just the same thing. So I'm gonna do this again, you guys. So I want you to thumb this video up, comment below, and share my video and subscribe. And I just want to say thank y'all for choosing. Yeah, I feel like I'm at work. So I just want to thank y'all for tuning into my video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.